trash cans. Wind advisory in effect until noon Central Standard Time Monday. The National Weather Service in Nashville has issued a wind advisory, which is in effect until noon Central Standard Time Monday. Timing, midnight through noon Monday. Winds, sustains 20 to 30 miles per hour and gusts around 40 miles per hour possible. Impacts, some tree limbs and branches may be blown down. Loose outdoor objects will be blown around. Travel could be difficult, especially for high-profile vehicles on east-west roadways. A wind advisory means that sustained wind of 25 miles per hour or greater with gusts to around 40 miles per hour are expected. Winds this strong may blow down a few trees or tree limbs and cause isolated power outages. Driving may also become difficult, especially for high-profile vehicles. Use extra caution. In Nashville...
Okay, I want to show you guys something. I'm clumsy. Look what I missed earlier. Flash flood warning from Huntsville, Alabama. I missed a flash flood warning. I've not got one of those in months, if you guys know that. And unfortunately, I missed one. I'm very disappointed that I did miss one. I'm not very happy with that. Yes, I did turn off the weather because I was worried I was going to be in bed. And this thing would just randomly go off again. And then I would be very, very upset. So, okay, thank you guys for watching, and yes, Nashville did issue a wind advisory just a few minutes ago, so, alright, thank you guys for watching.